Good day, programming friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another of the cool extras that you can add to your FMS logo installation. Once again, if you go to my www.HLModTech website and scroll down, you'll see the links, and today's link is going to show you how to use the Midi piano. So, let's get cracking. So if you're in my class, you just need to double click on the MT tools and go to the shortcut to ModTech folder. Once you're in there, visit 01 logo and then navigate to lesson 18. In lesson 18, double click the MIDI piano and then double click the shortcut to actually launch it. It has an amazing toolbar that lets you select different kinds of pianos or instruments. I am going to do the electric grand piano, and I'm going to click select. I'm going to change my octave to C2 just because I want to, and then you can see the keys on the keyboard that you'd actually play. You cannot click these, that does not work. You should soon find that the keys kind of fit where the fingers should be. And you'll be making awesome music in no time. If you hit the recorder, it'll record the keys that you're pressing. Well, that was so close to right. I'm going to hit stop, and now if I hit play, it actually replays my music. To get your music to play, you click the edit button and then double check your code, and then you can hit play current, and when you close it, it'll actually play your tune. Proves I do not have any piano skills, but it is a pretty dang neat technique to make some cool music. Explore the instruments, see what you can create. I'm not sure you'll be able to save because at my school I've got these in a location where you cannot save in that folder, but if you've got this built at your home, you should be able to save your music and have fun playing with it. Friends, if you found this useful or any of the other items useful, please hammer that like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.